She one of them asshole type bitches. Nigga see that nigga on the street and be like, oh, you one of them scratch your neck type of motherfuckers.
Nah, I wouldn't do that shit. I'm just saying, if you are, you are. If you fat, you fat. If you skinny, you skinny. Like, it's reality. The fuck?
You are an asshole. You are an asshole.
I'm just trying to figure out who the fuck it is.
No, I'm a...
different if we didn't know his family, bitch.
Nah, the reason why
I'm that nigga whole family. They gonna come at my neck, bro.
They gonna be like, yo, why you got this shit?
Like, yo, why you let your girl come at me like that, yo? Why you let old girl come at... Come on, man, get the fuck out of my face.
Nah, but...
You see this? I know you want it. I know you want it. Fetch. I know you want it.
Yo, ready?
Like Thanksgiving, it's a perfect holiday, but the great straight fruit like Billie Holiday. See, I do it this way, you do it that way. I mean, that way, my Ellerette, round up, and that's a best Colorado. I'm sitting next to my city, young youth, hot, in the Cadillac 16. I must be doing the bakery, like you be doing donuts in the 16. Ricky playing rock, I'm playing 6 free. If you don't know about me, then you should learn. I'm out of the dry ice, they call me Wizardburn. I'm out of Wizardburn. Raw, and I'm so mean. The epitome of what these niggas wanna be. When we drinking my bean, I'm smoking my tree. I'm making love my dream. Everything's on me, everything's on me. Chocolate G, you don't need a soccer ball to come kick it like me. I'ma fit my brown, I'ma smoke my tree. Going down, everything's on me.
Damn. Spit, yo. I'm worth billions and you're worth $1.50.
Yo, that was my shit, yeah.
That shit was the fuck in there.
I was little as hell.
Look, my no hands.
Yo, this chick want me to get on that beat with her. I'm about to kill that shit.
Yeah, I'm gonna listen to that shit. You gonna be like, what the fuck?
Coca.
We all sound young as hell.
Coca.
Record it.
Girl, drop it to the floor. I wanna see your dookie hole.
Oh hell! You wanna do that over? Oh no! That's some shit.
I wanna see the duty hole. Now what you say? Girl, drop it to the floor. I'm about to get some bookie hole. I'm about to get some bookie hole. I'm about to do that shit here. Watch. Girl, drop it to the floor. I'm finna get some bookie hole. No hands. I'll do that shit and the computer love beat. I'm about to be like, I want some cuter bugs. What? Cuter bugs. Some cuter bugs. Yeah. Yeah. You know I've been searching for someone. Some cuter vibe.
Yo, you always record while we in the studio, but I've never seen a video. You just do that.
Cause they on my computer. I might start putting them on our YouTube channel now that niggas got one. Cuter vibe.
You're retarded. Why don't you run yourself? That means
cuter vibe. Spike Will.
you.